In most organizations, the decision infrastructure is missing. Strategy and leadership teams keep stitching together reality from CRMs, dashboards, and decks. Days of analyst sprints, stakeholder meetings. By the time answers arrive, the decision window is gone. Introducing DecisionX, a decision AI platform built for strategy and leadership teams, bringing decision infrastructure to the organization. Here's what it does. DecisionX starts by connecting across your apps, data warehouses, files, and operational systems, automatically making sense of messy, fragmented data. Specialized agents build causal relationships between entities, creating a living context layer we call ontology, a continuously self-learning map of how your business actually works. No manual data modeling, no pipelines to maintain. This is what powers zero hallucination and complex reasoning at enterprise scale. Our ontology also understands your industry and domain, typical metrics, and business process so that the answers are domain-specific and not generic. All of this together forms the bedrock of knowing how much the system understands your business and prescriptively updates as and when more data arrives. Now that DecisionX understands your business, it puts that context to work. The first feature and the most used by strategy teams is signals. Signals are alerts to your inbox or Slack surfacing blind spots early, before they become a crisis. Our platform 24/7 reasons across your cross-functional data, finding critical early signs surfacing what changed, why it changed, and next best actions for your early intervention. In case you want to dig deeper, you can always continue in chat to dive in. While signals are important to read critical alerts, most strategic decisions also require good reading of market macro changes. Our second feature, Foresight, solves for that. Foresight pipes in external signals, competitors, markets, regulatory shifts, and industry trends, and correlates them directly against your internal context. So leadership isn't just reacting to what already happened, they're positioning ahead of it. Once you have signals and foresight, the strategy team needs to reason through it to be able to sharpen the decisions. That's what reasoning is for. Reasoning lets anyone on the strategy team ask complex business questions in plain language. Forecasting, optimizations, root cause analysis, correlations, surfacing the drivers, trade-offs, and decision paths behind every answer. For example, in this project for consumer brands, we asked which specific channel and SKU combination should we cut or reduce to free up spend without sacrificing retention? Because our ontology understands the drivers to retention and spends, it goes about reasoning through efficiencies of retention. Spend across each SKU and suggest a plan on where to cut out spend from. 100% grounded in your organization ontology, every answer comes in 3 modes: a high-level summary for leadership, a deep dive with charts and actionables for the team, and a full auditable trail for governance. Once you have reasoned, you can pin any of the relevant charts to boards, or switch to slides mode to create a slide summary of your reasoning. Slides capture all the analysis with charts, takeaways, and data points, shareable to anyone in your organization. Available under Boards and Reports, where you can see all your pinned charts and slides created and share them within teams. It's always live synced, always shareable, so that decision persists beyond chats and mails that teams can collaborate on. With ontology understanding your business, signals monitoring it, foresight anticipating what's next, reasoning going deep on the hard questions, and boards keeping everyone aligned, DecisionX becomes the connective tissue between data and decisions. No analyst bottleneck, no context stitching, no hallucinated answers. Explore DecisionX. Start making decisions with clarity.